Bullish Decentraland cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.07 and $5.80 by 2030. Market experts accept Mana could reach $2.39 by 2025. Bearish Decentraland market cost expectation for 2023 is 54 cents. Decentraland presentation. One of the most active digital currencies to shake the crypto world is Decentraland. Specifically, the digital currency had the option to arrive at a record-breaking exorbitant cost of $5.90 at a certain point. Mana is one of the cryptographic forms of money that are expanding in esteem that certain individuals view as the most surprising. Mana has existed since the year 2019. Because of the critical interest in metaverse tokens, financial backers in Mana saw a 100% profit from their ventures. We look at Mana's exhibition in this Decentraland valuing examination and gauge. Prior to that, however, we should investigate Decentraland and its place right now in the digital money market. What is Decentraland? A computer-generated experience stage called Decentraland is based on the Ethereum blockchain. It empowers clients to deliver, consume, and benefit from content and applications. A $24 million ICO that occurred in 2017 prompted the foundation of Decentraland. It is the main token in the historical backdrop of the metaverse to have a design show and a computerized pre-marriage ceremony. A Mana ERC20 token should be singed to acquire non-fungible ERC721 land tokens. On the Decentraland Commercial Center, Mana tokens may likewise be utilized to pay for a large number of wearables, symbols, names, and numerous different things. Decentraland Crucial Investigation. The token on Decentraland, the first metaverse at any point created on Ethereum, is called Mana. You might adjust your look, investigate, and make and buy products and land in this virtual world. Moreover, there are different territories, squares, and workmanship exhibition halls to investigate for a really long time. Indeed, even children might give it a shot due to the connection point's usability. Except for utilizing genuine cash and requiring a reasonable crypto wallet to use ETH-based dApps, it is similar to a computer game. The underlying coin presenting for Decentraland brought roughly 22 million euros up in 60 minutes, surpassing its objective. Today, the Mana stage is used for things that might be redone, like wearables, covers, or a customized name, which are all open on the site's Decentraland Specialized Investigation. What must be noted for this situation is that the money has lain lethargic since send-off, as per the latest news and speculation guidance from crypto experts and examiners, without any indication of something going on under the surface for clients. In spite of headways and advances in blockchain innovation, this resource stayed passionless and didn't move even a millimeter. The expense of the Decentraland digital money was around 2 cents at the hour of initiation. Afterward, it rose and came to 24 cents, yet it was dismissed and it got back to its earlier help level. The cost of Decentraland didn't really see critical vacillations and exchanged a similar cost range for some time. The coin then, at that point, went through a few extra reciprocals with the force of its tsunami. The Mana digital money rose to a cost of about 80 cents on Decentraland in a bullish flood. Mana kept up with its bullish pattern even after its value taken off to another high of $1.56. Be that as it may, in the wake of coming to another high, the Mana continued to address down, and the cost of Decentraland fell underneath 65 cents. Decentraland current cost. Decentraland is at present worth 68 cents USD. Mana has moved 10.29% as of now with an exchanging volume of $191,710,634. Decentraland is at present positioned 40 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,207,077,691 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Decentraland to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Decentraland market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Decentraland value expectation 2023. Decentraland, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Mana cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $1.02. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 95 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Mana is supposed to have a base worth of 81 cents. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Decentraland Mana cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mana will before long outperform $1.70. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the MANA's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, MANA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.36 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.50. Decentraland Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.39 and MANA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. MANA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.18 and a low of $2.05 in 2025. Decentraland Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Decentraland effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the MANA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, MANA will be green in 2026. The MANA is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $3.07, with a base cost of $2.73 and a typical cost of $2.86. Decentraland Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the MANA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.55 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.41 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, MANA has a greatest value worth of $3.75. Decentraland Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.23. In the event that MANA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $4.43. Neglecting to assemble the help MANA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $4.09. Decentraland Value Forecast 2029. While MANA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $4.77 and a yearly cost close above $5.11 in 2029. Decentraland Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Decentraland will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $5.46 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5.80, averaging out at $5.59. Decentraland Value Forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme MANA cost in 2031 is projected to be $6.68 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $6.41. And MANA has a splendid future coming up. We could observe our MANA